Welcome to Cozy English Corner. Today we are doing a deep dive into automotive vocabulary. Going on a long road trip is a wonderful adventure, but you must know how to maintain your vehicle.
This is vital information. If my car breaks down in a foreign country, I need to know the correct words to ask for help.
The most common stop you will make is at the gas station, sometimes called the filling station. You pull your car next to the fuel pump and remove the gas cap.
The fuel pump, do I need to know the specific type of fuel my car uses?
Yes, most modern cars use unleaded gasoline, but large trucks often use diesel fuel. Putting diesel fuel into a standard car will completely destroy the engine.
I will definitely remember to choose unleaded gasoline. While the car is filling up, what else should I check?
You should check your tire pressure. This means ensuring there is enough air inside your tires. If a tire is low, you use an air compressor to fill it. You should also clean the dead bugs off your windshield so your windshield wipers can work properly in the rain.
Tire pressure and windshield wipers. What happens if a warning light suddenly illuminates on the dashboard while I am driving?
The most common warning is the check engine light. This orange symbol means there is a mechanical problem. You should immediately drive to an automotive repair shop and ask a mechanic to inspect the vehicle.
A mechanic is the professional who repairs the car. What are the most common maintenance tasks they perform?
Cars require a regular oil change to keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. They might also need new brake pads if your car is making a loud squealing noise when you try to stop.
An oil change and brake pads. What if I am driving on the highway and I suddenly get a flat tire?
A flat tire means the rubber was punctured by a nail or sharp rock. You must pull over to the side of the road safely. You will need to open your trunk and find the spare tire.
The spare tire is the extra tire for emergencies. How do I lift the heavy car to change it?
You use a mechanical tool called a jack. The jack lifts the metal frame of the car so you can remove the flat tire. Finally, if your battery dies and the car will not start, you need jumper cables to connect your battery to a stranger's car for a spark of electricity.
Fuel pumps, mechanics, flat tires, jacks, and jumper cables. I feel much more prepared for my next highway adventure.